Welcome back to the channel. Just thought I'd let you know that we're going to do a bit of a tourist thing today. We're going to have a little romp in the river with some elephants. Just before we go, I just thought I'd show you in our hotel what there is in the foyer. It's a cat room with cats lying around. You can go in there and pat them and feed them and sit down with them. Not for me, I prefer dogs, but it's quite a pleasant little foyer here in our hotel. There's my Susan, roaming Aussie. She will be patting the elephants today, and she's wearing a t-shirt so she can identify herself, so it should be okay. Little joke there. Alright, catch you shortly. Okay, so we're here eventually. First of all, the driver was well, over half an hour late. We have no idea how he's going to pick us up. Can't speak English. He went to 3 different locations that were all wrong, so we're not sure how much of the tour we're going to get. So it's not very well organised, but we are here and there are elephants, so hopefully we will get to be with them shortly. Linda. Is that her making the noise?
She make the voice because she want the food.
Oh, she's hungry. How old is she?
Linda กี่ปีแล้วนะ 36.
36. Okay, that's young, isn't it? Same age as me. Oh, I know. Go figure. Hey?
Still strong.
Oh yes, yes, yes. Strong as an elephant, so they say.
This one is the older. This one I'm not sure for her age because she came from another company.
Oh, okay.
Oh, right.
She like work very hard work before and later we rescue them to come here.
Oh, you rescued it. Okay.
Because her eye is not good and later she go to the hospital. The company take her to go to the hospital.
To the hospital.
And later we can go to rescue her to come here because the company not take the money to support her in the hospital.
Okay, good. So you rescued her. Good on you.
They have 2 names.
Oh, does he?
That's why he named Rocky.
So he's been a bad boy.
Bad boy.
He's cheeky boy too. I saw him get the hose and give to the
Because
like that.
you cannot to live with the big one. Before he very cute, but when he grow up, the hormone or something change.
Yeah.
So
How
now
many elephants do you have here?
we have 8 elephants.
8. Okay.
But we not take all of them to come here because it's not easy to control them.
Oh no.
Okay.
Because in here we control them by the voice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We don't have chain, we don't have anything to hit.
No change.
So
Good.
it's not easy to control the 8 elephants.
No,
Oh no.
it wouldn't be.
No,
no.
it wouldn't.
That's why we just like stand by only 3 big and 1 small.
Yeah. Yeah.
So you've got to feed them first before they know who you are. Then they've got to smell you, and then they would set food, and then they'll let you touch them. So at the moment, we're not feeding them because it's a group that's here first. So we've got to stay away until they can smell us. They actually live up there in the jungle. Here we go.
Yeah, sure. Wait. You see.
Oh, thank you.
ไปให้คนแก่เราไปเนาะ
Oh, Nick.
You look at your camera, please.
You can stand together
มาจาก YouTube นี่จะเป็นบริษัทนะ
ใช่
เข้าไปใกล้หน่อย
จะน่ารักมาก
1, 2 smile
Smile.
Look at the camera together Papa this way please
honeymoon photo
The big one.
เอาไหมไปหาชอช้างไหมเอาโตไปหาชอช้างไหมครับ
Funny feel, isn't it?
หาชอช้าง
Oh, and they've got a lovely odor behind it. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
กินได้มากเลยคนมันจิ้มคนแข่งกันตะกองกัน
Ra coi đâu.
Everyone gets a hug, but they're relatively nervous. But
Yeah, yeah.
Lane's all right.
Ra coi đâu.
Apparently, they can understand Thai and English.
ได้กดยังเมื่อกี้
They can understand both. Oh, pulls them by the ear. Oh, because food. Okay. You go.
That way.
If you want to put in the mouth, you just smoke here and
And put in, you can put them in the mouth as well.
The same way, smart.
Food.
นู้นฝั่งนู้น
All right.
ไม่รับฝั่งนี้เลยตอนนี้ตาเขา
อ๋อ
ไม่ค่อยดี
เนย
ค่ะ
เนย
พี่
เนย
เอาเหรอคะพี่มาฝั่งนี้ก็ได้
Put in your mouth.
อย่าอะไรได้
Yes.
นั่นแหละโอเคนี่เขาเก่ง
Here, Sue.
จ้า
Hold that. Oh, no, yeah, feed one more. Feed one more.
Hello, beautiful. Hello. You got to
Yeah.
feed that one.
Yep.
Good.
I will. Hello. You want some? Or feed this one?
Yeah.
Both the
Because
same
they-
feed? Hello.
You're missing out. Oops. Oh, look at that. Dropped it. Almost. I know, baby.
Here you go.
ตัวนี้มันเคยบิดมือหนูด้วยอ่ะ
Yeah,
มัน
go feed
จับ
some
มือ
more.
หนูแล้วมันบิดไปเลย
They're large.
Hello.
Rồi.
Very gentle.
They are.
ฮะ
Oops. Hang on,
Alana?
darling. There you go.
กินได้3 ค
วันนี้นะเดนนี่อ้วนไหม
ำ
Oh, he took
Oh,
it.
you
Look, he
peeled
peeled
it.
it.
You peeled that.
He
You
peeled
were so
it.
clever.
Took it off and peeled it.
Oh,
พี่โจ้อย่าเพิ่งไปคนแก่
You see, he's not allowed to be. Oh, he's going out, is he?
โอ้ยเด็กผม
Oh, he took all. He took it all of our. He stole all of our bananas.
Oh, clever boy.
Thief. Thief. Stole all our bananas.
You already feed him
Yeah, we fed that one now.
Oh, you're beautiful. Yes, and okay, one more for you. And one more for you.
Yeah,
There you go, mate.
and I'll give him some more.
Oh,
Hey. Hey.
I love the way they peel.
Stealing it. Very good with it. Very good way they.
Oh, they are. Very gentle.
Handsome.
Oh, that's a girl, isn't it?
Girl.
Yeah, and she dropped it.
She's not that hungry. Well, more you just dropped the last one. Oh, you're not even eating. Plain.
No good?
No, she's not hungry. Not hungry.
Threw
want
them
some
on the
more?
ground.
This one can eat a lot.
Yeah.
How many? How many can eat in a day?
Every elephant for the big one like this they can eat around 200 to 500 kilograms
200 kilograms of these per day. Wow.
Yes, you are beautiful.
Come at the last one.
No, she threw them on. You are beautiful. You are really beautiful.
พี่ก้อยลงน้ำเลยเหรอ
Are you playing with your food?
Look at the size of their feet, see?
อันนี้
Look at the size. Massive, massive feet.
ย่าพี่ก้อยก่อนจะไปปกติมั้ย
Thank you. And he's back
So
again.
they are rubber trees, and that's how they used to make their money. And then the dreaded COVID killed that, and now the government doesn't subsidise this place. So their only money they get is from a few of the tours.
Okay. So that you know what to eat.
You can hear.
Yeah.
Yeah. Is that one Rocky?
No,
No.
that's Rocky.
Oh, over there, the one that
The naughty one that.
the one that's been in trouble. Yeah.
Yeah.
He told us that he was naughty, and as he walked out of that pen there, he stole all our bananas. He can actually pick up the hose and puts it in his mouth. Oh, sorry. Sorry. And just drinks.
Around 20 years.
You stop to close.
Okay. Around 20.
20 years he can start to mate.
Yeah.
Same as me. Okay, we're going up a hill to have a look at a rubber tree. Looks like a pretty handy hill too. Right.
They said it's not very far.
Oh, this hurts the knee, but anyway. This is their natural habitat.
Okay, so this is a rubber tree. You know the rubber tree?
Yep.
Yeah, in the south of Thailand we have a lot because we can work with this. Before the COVID, it's very popular in Thailand because it's very high price, around 150 baht for 1 kilogram. It's expensive because we can make a lot of the product from this tree. We can make like the wheel for the car, the pillow, the hand glove for doctor, and very special product. We can make condom.
Excellent.
Very important.
That's why. We have like this. This one is already dry. Very sticky. This can.
Comes an elephant up the
For
hill.
the latex like this, elephant can eat too.
Oh, can you eat it as well?
They can use the fang inside to like scratch the bark off, and
Yeah.
they can eat it. It's like a medicine from nature for them. When they poop a lot, cannot to stop to poop. They can eat this one to stop the poop.
Oh, okay.
Ah.
Okay.
And this, we have like equipment like this, like a knife to trapping on the tree. You can move closer, no? Later you can take a picture with her later.
Oh, there it is. Yeah.
And they will come.
So can humans eat that?
Cannot.
Cannot? Is it poisonous?
Yeah, for the elephant, I'm not sure why they can eat it. They have like a julinsi inside to mix with them, and they can eat this for the medicine. You can come to try to touch, nah? It's like a milky, but wait around few minutes. They will change to the like a glue like this.
Oh, look at it. Straight away.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
Yep.
They dry very fast.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Tên khói lên kìa sang rồi đấy. For normal, we have like a coconut cup to connect with the tree like
Yes.
this to keep
Yeah.
the latex.
Yeah.
We saw that in Malaysia. They have lots.
Yeah,
In
yeah.
Malaysia, they have lots, and they have a bucket underneath there.
I have this. For the latex, for the first one, there will be the white color.
Yep.
Yep.
But after that, they will change to the yellow color like this.
Oh,
And
okay.
after that, they will change to the black color. You can
Is that
try to
rubber?
hold it.
Oh, yes, it's very sticky.
Yeah.
What is that?
Rubber.
Are you sure?
There's a test.
Like a poop.
Rubber after.
Oh, it's not rubber. You tricked us.
You can try
Yes,
to
no,
hold
we know
it
it's.
first.
Yeah, it's okay.
Try.
Wow.
What is it?
Cheers. Look at this. That's just turns into rubber. doesn't it?
Everyone can try to hold it. What is smell?
No smell.
No smell.
No smell. พี่ก้อยเห็นเป็นแก้วตัวนั้นมั้ยเป็นแก้วอันที่มันเก็บไป Wake up at the 1 a.m.
You want me to do it in the same spot or?
You can start.
Ah, it's right there.
because we will come the same way. That is follow.
You haven't done any physical work for so long, Sue.
I haven't.
Stepping this before too. Dipper.
Gee whiz.
Yeah, I know.
Everybody else was
Get the
quite
angle.
successful.
Oh, they're
Oh, there we go.
Ah, come here.
very slow.
We'll run out of battery soon, Sue, if you don't produce some rubber.
Oh, this will have to do. Not very good.
Yeah.
I felt like I was being...
Good job.
Why are we clapping? That's somebody else's rubber snip into that hole. That's
No,
not
it's
even...
not.
Okay, well done. Come on.
I've got to listen.
Sexy purse.
Yeah, sexy.
Hey.
Swing your trunk. Oh, no, sorry. Yeah, I know. Yeah, scared of you, Sue. Come on, we're going to walk down this hill, Sue. Righto, Sue. In you get. Sue's going to go in and while she's walking mud. Just get your feet.
You can take the mat to put on her. The mat? Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, let us.
Now he's giving instructions to this elephant in Thai. And then all these other people are waiting to... Don't fall over. Are you? Can you move?
Can you move?
Quick. Get back to dry ground, Sue, before it's on YouTube. Well done. Oh, they like it. The elephants like it.
Oh, yeah. The eyes are closing.
You can do side, head, trunk, but not their bum. They don't like it. They shower in the water 3 times a day. Scratching. Look. So this elephant is 60, he's had a hard life and probably only expected to live for another 10 years. But normally they can live up to 100 years old.
Right.
But she's had a hard life apparently.
Yeah.
But we just like that. When don't have the people, she will like a spray water. when you stay on there, she cannot spray because it's not good for you, nah? She's very clever, this elephant.
Oh, so she knows not to spray up.
She like people
Yeah.
because you give food to her.
Yeah, I'd like me too.
Yeah.
That's why for the first we take her to go to feed.
Yeah. Yeah.
Now you can be
Oh,
friends.
that's the way.
Oh, look at that.
The
Look.
leg. Oh.
Don't have people, she can spray.
Wow.
Wow, that's good.
That's good.
She like the mud.
Very clever. Look at it, look at it.
Look at it.
Covering
Beautiful.
itself there.
Yeah. It's a lot more graceful in the mud than I am.
Well, as I show all aspects. Here's an elephant that's in the water.
Now you can spray water for the elephant.
Handmade.
Scratching. Wow, look at this stretch. Do your feet first, eh?
Oh, you're fine.
So do your legs before it dries. Do your legs before they dry.
You want the water more? Thấy con trẻ em như có gì không bữa đó?
Anyone else want to?
Do your feet. The back of
You
your
want more
legs.
water? You want more
The
water?
back of your legs.
She wants more. I'm sorry, baby. You just like working now, don't you?
The back of your legs. Get the mud off too, please.
Oh, I'm good.
Here. Here. Give us a hose. Right.
No, that's okay. I'll just sit on the side and watch.
Are you going to go in the water?
Good.
All this hard work to put all the mud all over.
Yeah.
We want that.
More to wash here than the car.
Give her a thankful.
Right.
Still very good.
She doesn't care. She doesn't care while you're putting water on her.
Turn around. Turn around.
Battery's just run out,
Oh.
I think. Yeah.
So part of the tour, you get to cook pad thai, as you just saw. You get pineapple, and it started out a bit rough, the little tour, but it's turned out to be very good. Very pleased. Glad we came.